Number 3 says Carter has 24 t-shirts, 8 fewer pairs of shoes than pants. If the number of t-shirts Carter has is double the number of pants he has, how many pairs of shoes does Carter have? So we are going to start with his shoes. His shoes are 8 fewer than his pants. So we're going to get rid of that 8, and that'll tell us how many pants he has. So the pants is P, which is the shoes plus 8 more. But it says that the shirts are double the amount of pants he has. So we should have 2 sets of P. And he has 24 shirts in all. If we split 24 into 2 sections, each one would get 12. If P is 12, then he has 12 pants. He had 24 t-shirts. And he would have 12 pants minus the 8 would give us 4 shoes.